Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower yesterday. You had soybeans leading the way to the downside, all currently lower this morning. We had huge export sales released yesterday. It was 3 weeks combined. I believe it was October 4th through the 24th, and that still wasn't enough to prop up the market. Right now, you've got all sorts of private analysts coming out with thoughts that the soybean yield is going to be 43 bushel per acre. You got thoughts that the corn yield is going to be over 160 bushels per acre. So right now, people are looking at rallies as selling entry points for the market. We've seen that yesterday. After those numbers were released, the market was rallying. Pit open, stayed higher for a little bit, and then selling overcame the market and took corn and soybeans lower. So thoughts that we've got a higher yield, which is more production, is really causing rallies to be sold right now. Right now, moving forward, I see around 425 as a low for December corn and around 1250 as a low for January beans before we go into next Friday's USDA report. So I think those areas will kind of hold. The market is short right now, so we could see some short covering ahead of that report. So that's one thing to keep your eye on that could support prices. I know a lot of people are looking at those levels I just mentioned as support levels support levels for both corn and soybeans. So moving forward today, we'll see how the pit reopens afterwards, but we're all currently lower this morning. We've had some harvest delays throughout the Midwest due to rain. It's expected to dry up, and a lot of people should be back rolling in the fields on Saturday or Sunday. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great weekend.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.